Best one-click VPN. If you're looking for best VPN on Play Store that connect to your phone in one click, you are in the right place. First of all, you need to go to Play Store. Here you need to search for 11VPN. 11VPN. After that, you need to simply install that. Once you install it, you need to simply click on Open. After that, you need to simply click on Next. Once you click on Next, after that, click on Accept. Once you click on Accept, you need to allow notification. And that's it. You need to simply click on Allow. Here we go. So the main part is how we can connect it in one click. For that, you need to simply scroll here like that. And you will see here 11VPN option in your phone. So simply, whenever you want to connect VPN, you can simply scroll here and you can click on that. Once you click on that, it will automatically connect to your phone. If you want to disconnect, simply click on that again, and that's it. Your VPN will be disconnected. Thanks for watching.